One of my favorite things to do during fall is to paint pumpkins. And these pumpkins that I'm painting are gifts for teachers, but you could also make them for your family and friends too. And I think it's just such a cute and unique gift, but also a very therapeutic process. So I hope you enjoy watching me paint these pumpkins, seeing their unique characteristics, and I hope you also get inspired to make your own.
A million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me.
The first pumpkin is a house-themed pumpkin, and I wanted to give my professor something that would remind her of home, because I know that a lot of my professors are away from their homes while they're teaching.
No need to fret it, it's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.
Also, a good tip for painting the base part of your pumpkin, like what I was just doing, is to use a big brush instead of a tiny one, because the tiny one makes the paint go on more translucent. And yeah, I just figured that out.
Don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile.
This one is my favorite pumpkin out of the three, and it's inspired by looking outside your airplane window and seeing the nighttime view outside. In this case, the view is the Eiffel Tower and the beautiful city surrounding because as I'm painting them, sometimes I get not really bored of that design, but I just want to take a break from drawing on that design and just move on to something different. And this pumpkin is more of an abstract piece. This is more looking into the universe, and then in the back I would be drawing something like that reminds me of the ocean, because this professor teaches a class that deals with both of those topics, so I thought that would be cool. Now I'm returning back to the house pumpkin, which is kind of fun. I think this one was the most simple, but it's the cutest one. Now I'm just mixing up blue and yellow to make different shades of a green color, and this is just to add leaves on the side of the window, just to add more nature to it. I think the feeling I was getting from the leaves was to create a grounding feeling, so even if you're away from home, you still are grounded in thinking about it. On this pumpkin, I added a vine-like plant just to sort of tie in the whole theme of the universe and how it's unruly and disorganized, but there's a lot of beauty in it too. And then the house pumpkin, I'm so sorry, it's a little out of order, but this is just me going back and forth between the pumpkins and also throughout the footage, but thank you for bearing with me through that. I did some of the painting off camera because I wasn't thinking that I would make a video out of this. I just wanted to just see how it looked like through camera, but nevertheless, I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!